Hello students, myself Dr. C.R. Chougule, Head Department of English, Gopal Krishna Gokhale College, Kolhapur. This lecture is for the students of BA First, Optional English. Name of the paper number 2nd is Modern Indian Writing in English Translation for the semester 2nd. Let us know the play The Dread Departure by Satish Alekar. Satish Alekar belongs to the second generation of Marathi playwrights after the modernization of the Marathi theatre by the famous playwright Vijay Tendulkar, who played a phenomenal role in the shaping of modern Marathi theatre and also attributing it to pan-Indian and international recognition. Tendulkar's phrase proved to be an epoch-making event in Marathi theatre. Tendulkar freed the Marathi theatre from the taboos of the content. Satish Alekar further experimented with the Marathi theatre in terms of subject matter and the stage performance. His play Mahanivaran, The Dread Departure, first performed on 22nd November 1974, took the Marathi audience and critics by storm with its subject matter. The subject matter of the play is a death and the rituals and rites that follow it. Death and rituals related to it are sanctimonious on one hand and serious and of grave concern on the other. This entire affair in human life is tragic, awful, and grave in nature. This could rarely be a matter of theoretical representation. Satish Alekar chose and handled this taboo subject with the dramatic deftness. He disrobed the death rites and rituals from its serious and brought the humor and laughter out of them through his characteristic slant view to look at the things around him. This play enacts the story of death and its aftermath of Bahurao, an ordinary resident of the Chal in Pune city. The Chal is a characteristic residence of Pune and Mumbai cities like today's apartments. But the Chal differs from the modern day apartments in terms of individual privacy. The residents of a Chal usually belong to the lower and the lower middle classes. They shared many common amenities. They had a strong bond of relationships. The public and the private affairs of the homes used to have a very thin line of demarcation, and the Marathi literature of the 1950s onwards fruitfully used the Chal and its residents as the subject matter. Especially P.L. Deshpande and V.P. Kale resourcefully exploited the locations and the relationships in and around Chals in Pune and Mumbai. Satish Alekar used this local and its people as the subject of his play. Another significant aspect of the play is also related to the cultural dimensions of Pune city. There are a large number of temples in Pune city. Kirtana was and is a popular form of entertainment for the public. The Kirtana takes up a devotional subject for its narration, but it could be conveniently exploited for the explanation of one subject or topic. The Kirtana could run into theatrical performance by the narrator and his asides that would include songs, allusions, metaphors, similes, pun, humor, hyperbole, anecdote, digressions, and so on. This form serves the purpose of dissemination of ideas as well as the correction of social follies through criticism of the ills of the society. Alekar deftly used the Kirtana mode as the narrative technique for this play. The twin aspects, the death rites and the rituals and the Kirtanas mode of narrative as the culture specific. A Kirtana may begin with a moral from the devotional writings and dive into the contemporary issues of the social, moral, religious and political life of contemporary society. This play is woven around the death of Bahurao, a middle-aged ordinary resident of the Chal, and the play opens with the death of Bahurao and proceeds with the post-death rites and rituals. The other important character in the play are Rama, Bahurao's wife, and Nana, their only son. Apart from these, there are neighbors of Bahurao referred to as Chalkari in this play. The play enacts the preparations for the funeral procession of Bahurao, the cremation and rites after the cremation, with many accidental digressions that take place in the course of the play. The mood of the play is to produce tongue-in-cheek humor out of a grave subject. It is a scathing criticism of some of the acquired rites practiced in the Hindu faith. The play may be treated as a comedy with black humor. It heavily uses the rich resources of the local and cultural expressions to add to the mood of the play. The Kirtana form of narration incorporates at a large scale the devotional songs and expressions. These aspects of the play put heavy challenges on a translator. Thanks for listening me carefully and attentively. Thank you.